Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I will show you how to transfer USDT from crypto.com to your Kucoin. Now, first thing you need to do is open up your crypto.com app and then you have to click on this accounts option from the bottom of your screen. Then from this screen, you have to click on this crypto wallet, and then on this screen, you will be able to see all of your cryptocurrencies that you currently have in your account. Now from this list, you have to select the cryptocurrency that you want to transfer. We are transferring the USDT, so I will just select the USDT from here. Then on the screen you have to click on this transfer button, and from this pop-up window you have to click on withdraw, and then another pop-up window will open up. From here you have to click on external wallet, and then on the screen you have to click on this area where it says add wallet address. Then in another window will open up. In this area you have to paste the wallet address from your Kucoin. So just open up your Kucoin app and then click on this asset option. After that you have to click on this deposit button at the top of your screen. Then you have to use this search bar to search for the cryptocurrency that you want to receive. We are receiving the USDT, so I will just type USDT in the search bar and then select the USDT from search results. Then you just have to select the network type by clicking on this area. So you have to select the same network type as you selected in your crypto.com. After you do that, simply click on copy address button and then go back to your crypto.com app and then paste the wallet address in this area and then enter the wallet name and then click on continue. After that, your wallet address will be added here. All you need to do is click on this withdraw button right next to the wallet address. Then this might show you the screen. Click on confirm and withdraw button. And lastly, just enter the amount how much you want to transfer in your local currency and then click on withdraw. And then you just have to confirm this withdrawal. Make sure your wallet address and the network type is correct and the network type matches in both your crypto.com and Kucoin. And once you confirm these details, click on confirm button, and lastly just enter your passcode. And once you do that, your USDT will be transferred from crypto.com to your Kucoin.